You guys into rock? I am. We've got the new Shield Arms ROC, which I think is one of the coolest things I've seen at SHOT Show. Probably about 8 people are going to watch this video, you know, like for all those guys out there that want to have optics on their J-frames. Yeah, there's literally dozens of us.
Maybe 9.
Tell us what this is.
So this is a Revolver Optic Conversion. That's what the ROC stands for. It is a aluminum reflex sight mount for your hammerless J-frames. And we have 2 different patterns. We've got the RMRCC, and then we've got a Holosun K RMSC pattern. You take the side plate screws out, drop this on, and then go to town.
What revolvers will this work with?
So there's 5 or 6 different models of this, the hammerless J-frame. That's the main question, is does it work with all the J-frames? And the answer to that is no. If it has a hammer, whether it's shrouded or visible, it doesn't have this back screw. We're working on that for the future, but for right now, it's just the hammerless version.
Right, so, okay, so that would be like the 642.
642, the 442, 31 PD. The numbers are not my thing, but they...
Yeah. I mean, like you have for the stainless versions, for example, the 637 has the hammer, 642 hammerless, right. 638 is the shrouded hammer. Yep. We're talking about only like this, the hammerless.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Yep, so the 38 Special, 22 Magnum, 22 Long Rifle, 32 HMR, all those.
Okay. Those are all the same pattern.
All the same pattern. Yep.
Okay. And how much are these going to cost?
I believe this is retailing for $150.
How long, if you're like me and you have mild brain damage, is it going to take for me to do this myself at home? Can I do this myself at home?
100%. We got an install video. It takes about 2 minutes.
No way.
Pull the screws out, throw the new one on. Don't forget Loctite. You're good to go.
And I was going to ask, how sturdy do you guys expect this to be?
Very sturdy. The only one that hasn't worked with it is the 357 Scandium frames. We're still working on that. But other than that, these have held up great. We've shot, I don't know, probably 1,000 rounds through these 38s. Very sturdy.
No problem.
No problems.
Okay, well, I mean, that about sums it up. I mean, this is pretty straightforward. It's a brilliant concept. You guys at Shield somehow find a way to do something cool, something useful. Especially, I get pumped because I'm a big concealed carry guy. I know you viewers out there know that. So for me, I love coming and seeing like the wonky ideas that you guys have at Shield that are cool. Like, I mean, this is cool. This is something that I'm going to buy. So thank you so much for walking us through it. Guys, thank you so much for watching TFBTV. Make sure you subscribe. We're bringing you more from SHOT Show 2025.